the quickest, easiest and the most delicious gosht recipe. DO PYAZA. I made this recipe in just half an hour. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. The only chopping needed for this recipe are the onions. And we are going to use all these ingredients. So in the pressure cooker, I have added the beef and 1/4 cup of oil, which I couldn't record. And then I'm just adding onions here. And I'm saving about half a cup of onions for later. And now I'm just gonna dump all the ingredients in here. The raw mangoes that I have used here are the frozen ones. You can substitute raw mangoes with lemons. Now I'm just gonna add the yogurt, the whole spices, cardamom, cloves, black cardamom, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, Shahzeera, Kashmiri red chilli powder, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, garam masala, coriander powder, crushed coriander seeds, chilli flakes and ginger garlic paste, and I'm just gonna give it a good mix. Now I'm going to add some salt. At this point I'm just mixing everything. I'm not sauteing anything. I'm gonna saute it later. And I just added half a cup of water just so that it doesn't burn. Now I'm going to pressure cook this on high heat for about 10 to 11 whistles because beef takes a little bit longer to cook. I opened the pressure cooker after all the steam was released. As you can see, it is nicely cooked. I'll show you one piece of gosht here. You see, it is perfectly cooked, very tender. And now I'm going to add the onions that I had saved earlier, and I'm going to saute it for about 8 to 10 minutes on medium heat. The raw mangoes have dissolved completely and it adds a very nice sour taste to this recipe. Now I'm going to cover it with a lid and let it boil on low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now I have added the cilantro and I'm going to cover it again. I have covered it again for another 2 minutes. And now after 2 minutes, I have turned off the stove and I have added some whole serrano peppers. If you want, you can slit them. And after adding the serrano peppers, I'm going to cover it with the pressure cooker lid. I have not put the whistle this time and I'm going to let it rest for about 4 to 5 minutes. You can see I have taken out the whistle and I'm just gonna close it now. And after 4 to 5 minutes, the oil has appeared on the top. It has a beautiful color, flavorful, spicy and nice sour taste. If you don't have raw mangoes, you can also use lemon, but the raw mango really enhances its flavors. If you liked this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Do share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking!